Hi guys, I want to ask you, are you interested to make free PayPal money just like the payout rates that stated over here? $13, $12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and etc. And if you are interested, I want you to stick with me until the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to be revealed to you everything you need to know and what to do, and I'm going to also walk you through how the sign up process and everything. So stick with me until the end. And what you are going to learn in this video is what is actually the website that can help you to make money today, how to make money by simply sharing your link throughout the internet land, and how to get tons of click every single day. And also the coolest part is a bonus that the script they are going to help you to earn more money and also accelerate the process of earning free PayPal money. And before we dive right into our content, if you just came across to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa, and in this channel, I share with you a lot of strategy and tactic on how to make money online. And the most important is all the video that I'm sharing in my channel is the simplest way on how to do it, because I know most of you are newbie, so you don't have any prior experience or any skill on how to make money. So that is why I came out with sort of simple and newbie friendly method on how to make money online, how to make your first free PayPal money online. Alright, so let's dive right into our content. Also, before I forget, don't forget to click subscribe, consider subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification, as that way you will not miss any video that I upload on daily basis. Alright, so let's dive right into our content. So the website they're going to help you to earn money only by sharing your links is called shorten.com. So this is the website, shorten.com. So just simply head over to shorten.com and you're gonna land over to this website. So you can take a look of this website. So how everything's work is create an account. So shorten your link and you can start earn your free PayPal money. So the payment method is by PayPal, so Skrill, bank transfer. There's a few different methods on how to receive the payment, but for me personally, I love to have the PayPal account. I love to receive the payment by PayPal because PayPal is pretty straightforward, while others also I don't have any other payment method that available here, so I prefer using PayPal, right? So it totally depends on you. If you prefer with other payment method, it totally depends on you. Okay, so if you haven't signed up already, just click the sign up button over here. So I have signed up, I have my account, so I'm logged in. This is my account. So basically I'm going to brief you out what is actually shorten.com is all about. So basically how it's going to work, you are going to shorten the links over here. So this is actually a shortener website, such as like a Google shortener. Google has their own shortener website, and also the most popular, if I'm not mistaken, is called Bitly, right? So a lot of people know about Bitly. Bitly is a shortener website, but unfortunately you'll not be able to make money with Bitly, either Bitly or Google shortener website. But with this shorten.com, instead of just shortening your links, you're also able to make some supplemental income with it, right? So what you have to do, for example, I just took my link over here, my YouTube channel link. So I head over to this shortener website, so paste, and I just click shorten. So this is actually the outcome. This is actually the same link, but it's already been shortened. Okay, so how you're going to earn money? Maybe you're a bit curious, because it sounds like too good to be true. How only by shortener your link you are able to make money? Okay, so actually I'm going to show you here. When I copy these things and I paste, I'm going to paste it here. So it's a bit loading, so I'm going to wait for few seconds and click enter. Alright, so here is how everything works. So instead of directly go to my channel, they're going to redirect the person who click on that link to the ads page first. So this is actually belong to shortzone.com, right? So an advertiser actually pay some amount of money for ShortZone to place all their ads in here, right? So you are actually going to see their ads, or your visitor who are clicking on your link is actually going to see the ads first. So this is how ShortZone make money from the advertisers. So that is actually how ShortZone is going to pay you money. So it's pretty straightforward. It's actually involve three stakeholder, which is advertiser is going to pay ShortZone, and ShortZone is going to pay you to help them drive as much traffic as possible to this ads, what we call the ads interface, okay? ShortZone ad interface, right? So when you want to skip, you can skip, okay? Just click skip to continue. For example, if you really want to have a look at that channel, the link that we are shorten. Oh, sorry. First off, you have to click the I'm not a robot, and then just skip to continue, and it's going to loading. And what you have to do is just wait for a few seconds until the link is ready. So I'm going to wait for a few seconds because I want to explain to you everything that you need to know, so that you know how everything's work, right? So this is actually how you're going to make money with ShortZone. Okay, so the second is moving right now. So it should turn to green button over here. Okay, here are the things. So actually it's not here, the link is over here. So I just click on the link, get link, and then only then you can redirect to the exact destination, which is for this example is my YouTube channel. All right, so that is how you're going to earn money. So now come to the very important thing, how you're going to get ton of clicks per day and how you're going to promote this thing. So I want to introduce you to Quora.com, right? So for those who are not familiar with Quora.com, Quora.com is actually a question and answer based platform, right? So this is really powerful, guys. Quora is really powerful, as Quora is actually the domain rank, the domain authority of Quora is actually above 95, if I'm not mistaken, 95 or 98 something, right? Which is, this is actually a very legit website, and the authority of this website is really high. So you are also have a possibility to rank your answer or your question to rank over Google. So if one of your answer can rank on Google, you probably going to get ton of traffic from Google, right? So what you have to do here is, people using Quora as a platform to get their answer. So people head over to Quora and just type any question that they really want to know. For example, like how to make money online. All right, what is the easiest way to make money online? So for example, I just want to promote my link, right? So I want to share with people how to make money online by only sharing the link. So I'm going to head over to this question and just simply click answer, and then I'm going to paste my answer here. So in this specific video, like I told you, I have a bonus. So this is actually the bonus. I already provided you a script here that's specifically to promote this opportunity. All right, so I just came across a new simple underground strategy. So for example, I just want to answer this question, right? What is the easiest way to make money online? So I head over to this article. I just came across a new simple underground strategy on how to make money online by sharing your links throughout the internet. It's pretty straightforward. You don't have to have any experience prior or skill. What you have to do, just share shorten link with blah 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 blah, and don't forget to provide the link over here. So what link that you are going to provide here is actually the link that you already shortened here. okay, over here, right? So this link, all right? So just take this link and you have to paste it over here, and then you are going to take this the whole article that I already provide you here, and then paste it into this answer. All right. So okay, before I forgot, okay, this is actually my my YouTube channel. What you have to do is take this video link, my video, all right, because this is actually specifically the video that I share how to make money with this method. All right, just take this video, copy this video, and paste my video, this video link over here, and click shorten, and then take the shortener URL, and then take my article over here, which is I'm going to provide you in the description box below, the whole article, and take the shortener URL and copy or paste it over here like this, right? Just simply do like this, okay? And then I'm going to show you real quick. I copy here and put it over here, and then you can adjust the article a bit because it is not properly arranged, well arranged over here, and that's all, right? Or you also can do something like this. Check it out here. You just simply click here, and then you highlight all these things and go over here, the change icon over here, and then just paste the and then you just paste this link, which is the link from the shortzone.com, and paste it over here, and then you click add, right? So that's all. So if you want to make it stand out, just make it bold like that, right? And also I highly recommend you to actually put out the link like 2 or 3 times, right? What I would suggest, I just stumbled across this video, so this word over here also I'm going to hyperlink it with this link, right? And then don't forget to bold it up as well. All right, so that's it, guys. That's pretty much it, how you are going to get ton of click throughout this internet land. All right, so this is Quora. If you also this is one of the easiest and effective way on how to get tons of click every single day. If you have any other method, for example, if you want to post on your Yahoo Answer, because Yahoo Answer is also similar to Quora, is actually a question and answer based platform, right? You also can do that as well. So also if you are you want to paste on your Instagram, right? So maybe in Facebook group, whenever people asking something along the line of this question, how to make money online, you can just hop on to that post and just give some thought about how easy they can make money online by sharing their links throughout the internet, right? So guys, I hope you got some value throughout this video, and don't forget to try it. And also if you have some any question regarding this method, just put your comment down below on the comment section down below. I'm going to reach you out later, right? So that's all, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.